Hey guys, so I was thinking a while back about getting foam inserts for my plates, um, just basically to make them easier to work out in and whatnot. So what I ended up doing is I bought, when I was making my Kydex mold machine, I bought some of this foam, which is not that thick, but anyway, so I decided to, what the hell, I had a couple pieces laying around, so I basically just used them to make a template, roughly, and use them for inserts, basically, one for the front, one for the back. And yeah, it works great, but essentially you just take your plates out, use a marker, a Sharpie, cut it out. I used one of these guys, pretty good. So something that gives you enough control. Don't use an X-Acto knife because it tends to wobble. But anyway, so I did that and they worked great. So I just figured I'd let you guys also experiment with it to see if it's worth it for you. Again, these are non-ballistic. Okay, this stops shit. This is comfortable. But yeah, they sell these packs for like $15-20. So, you know, I figured, what the hell, I have a couple of these laying around, let me make one, see how comfortable it is when I'm working out. And so far so good. So that's it. I'm not going to show you how to put them in your plate carrier because it's a plate carrier. I'm pretty sure all you guys know how to do that. So good LARPing, boys.